Suitcase detector operation. Open the case. Remove the antennas inside and connect them to the corresponding interfaces according to the frequency band numbers labeled on the antennas. Install them sequentially. Power on the device. The device has a built-in battery. When battery level is low, charge it with an external power cable. Once power on, it will automatically enter detection mode. Once a drone is detected, the device will synchronize and display real-time indicator data in the top right corner of the interface. On the main interface, click this icon to zoom in on the map interface. Click this icon to quickly locate device position. Click this icon to switch to satellite map view. Click this icon to measure distances between points on the map. In the historical records interface, can review logs of past drone detection. In the whitelist settings interface, cannot authorize drone serial numbers to permit their flight. In data statistics, view drone activity trends and flight patterns. Enter admin to log into the system settings interface. Can calibrate the device's location. Customize detection frequency band. Upload system update packages. Customize alert modes, time configurations, and other parameters. Access system logs for operational auditing.